Hello, I'm Penny Willette, and I'm here to show you how to navigate Orion's new corrective and preventive action software. Begin by entering your username on the right-hand side. That will be the first letter of your first name followed by your last name. They can all be lower caps. Your password will be the main email that Orion uses for you, which you can change once you get in, and then the validation code will be the letters off to the right. If you'll notice the blue bar at the top, you'll originally open to your dashboard. This will let you see any actions that you have waiting for you. As you can see in the top left-hand box, there are no corrective actions ready for my review, but there are 2 corrective actions ready for me to respond. That is, they've been assigned to me and I need to enter correction, cause, and corrective action. Also, any action items that have been assigned from any ICARs will show up in the box in the middle. And then scrolling down, there will be other types of modules that we use for client NCRs, and a place where you can see some reporting on the different types of ICARs that you are involved in. There is a complaint module that clients can go to the website and enter complaints. Here is where you would be involved in that, if that would be the case. Today we'll be talking mostly about the internal corrective action requests. That is, nonconformities that are determined within the office or during an internal audit, that type of thing. In an earlier video, I showed you how to initiate an ICAR, that is to write one for someone else to respond. If you are the one who initiated one, you may also modify it if you made a mistake and need to make a change. If an ICAR has been assigned to you, you will be filling out the root cause analysis section to determine what caused the problem and what actions need to be taken. If you are the person who has initiated an ICAR and assigned it to someone else, once they are done, here's where you will come to determine if the actions they have taken are appropriate. If an ICAR has been assigned to you, there will be actions to be taken. Those might be assigned to yourself, or you might assign them to someone else. Either way, when those actions are done, here's where you will come to enter what you have done, the completion date, and any corrective action. There's also a place where we can put down things that have been closed but we want to keep an eye on. That would be this section, and a place for any project team discussion on those ICARs. If you move to reports, there are a number of reports both for complaints and for accreditation body ones. But let's again stick with ICARs. Let's look at the ICAR status report. Again, it tells you how many were open each year. You can export this to Excel. You can go on. You can see details of any particular nonconformity. And here is the action or the report for the entire ICAR and all the actions that have been taken to date. Let's close that window down and go back to our report. The second report is a failure mode report, and once we can start gathering enough data, we might be able to take preventive actions based on where the failure modes are within our system. Location reports, again, it lets us sort out by where things have been initiated and archive. And this is perhaps the most important report that you'll be using, the ICAR reports. It has a great deal of search functionality. You can identify things by identifier, and within that by, say, response due date. So you can sort it any way that you like. Once you get down there, again, it gives you various information about all the ICARs, where it came from, who identified it, who it is assigned to, the various due dates, going back as far as we've gotten, and of course you can open any one or export to Excel. So I think that you'll find within the software it's quite easy to find the information that you're looking for. And if you have any questions, please let me know. Thank you for your attention. Goodbye.